Hi to everyone and welcome to our channel. If you're looking to build your own web page, professional looking and modern, and you want to build it very fast and easy, we want to show you today with all our team, we want to show you the fantastic platform, very powerful tool to make that happen, because with this tool you can build your portfolio, blog, online store, personal and CV, creative services, events and weddings, small businesses, anything that you actually want to make to build your own web page, you will find out from this video. So before I've started to show you how to build a web page actually in the dashboard, I want to say that we'll have the link in the description panel of this video, so you can easily find that link and you can easily get to the platform with a big discount for our subscribers. So make a pause of this video, use the link, jump in and get back, and let's build a web page. Just jump into my dashboard already and you just need to press the create website. Of course you need to sign in or sign up or log in. You need to pass the registration, but it's simple and easy. I will not show you that. You see there's tons of templates already pre-built and already made for any needs that you have. The platform itself, first of all, will ask you what's the type and topic of your web page, and you need to be as specific as possible to find the correct template, and it will save you tons of time. Let's choose any. This one. Let's start with Kalima. When you jump it in to editor, the platform will ask you to give your web page a name first, and this name will be the title of your web page. Okay, let's build some barbershop web page. Simple one. Just want to show you the core knowledges and all you need to know to build it by yourself, because it's simple and that's very easy. And I'll try to make this video short, not to waste your time, because there's not a lot of core knowledges about that, and everything is pretty changeable. And I will just show you a couple cases on how to edit that. And also we're gonna talk about some internet marketing and how it would be great to build your web page according to rules of internet marketing. So there's assistant, and this is actually the list of what you need to do to finalize your web page. It includes some title or logo, add and delete pages, change fonts and colors, add images, connect and update domains, optimize for search, and launch your website. You can always open it in this pressing this question button. And just let's jump straight to edit. Here on the left hand you have pages, design, commerce, marketing, scheduling, analytics, profile, settings, and help. And actually all that you need to build your own web page is pages, design, and settings. Let's press the pages first, and you see that there's it's a big and huge site, and there's a lot of tons of content on each of the pages. We're gonna delete them all, just showing you that you can build it. You can build it, and you can build the big one, and there are templates. But in this video, I want to show you how you can manage things, and after you will understand how to edit things, it would be not a problem to build other pages the same way. Let's go straight to edit home, getting back here and pressing edit button. We have the header, we have the content blocks, and we have the footer. Let's edit site header. What's available in general? Site title and logo, elements, colors, and fixed position. Fixed position means that the header will be always on top, it will be fixed, and when you'll scroll down it will be on the top anyway. I don't like this, I want it to be hidden. Site title and logo. We build in the barbershop. Let's add some site logo. Okay, the picture from my computer is uploading. All right, it's right here. It's not visible yet because the dark font is there. Let's make it a little bit bigger, like that. We uploaded the logo. Now let's find here on the desktop, let's find the header layout. There's logo left, logo left. I want logo to be in the center. You see the changes made straight away. The same thing I want to do to mobile. Header layout. Like that. Jumping back to general. Site title and logo, we made elements. What are in elements? Button. You see book a class. And there's click event, there's social links, it's disabled right now. I want to enable it. And you see there's Instagram and Facebook. You can edit it with your actual physical, like if you have some social media accounts and links, you can edit the links here. If you're selling some goods or and you have a lot of them, you can enable the cart. Where's that? Yeah, here it appears. But we're not selling anything. We will just get the information. And like account login, make sure that it's switched off, because account login, your potential customer, if it will be switched on, your potential customer will need to like log in so you can build the closed page. We want the open page. Okay, colors. Here, the header will use the color theme of the first section if it's transparent and it's modern, it's cool for nowadays, for 21st century, and I'm gonna leave it like that. Or you can make like, you can change the color of it, but I don't want. Fixed position I showed you. All right, let's jump to edit the sections. You can add the section above or below just to show you. When you press and add a section, there's tons of pre-made things that you can add. Text block, images block, gallery, the video block, and you see it's already pre-built. You just clicking on it and it appears. For example, I don't need it right here. And you see the header is transparent, the white color is right here. So what can you do with the section itself? Okay, you can edit the section, you can duplicate it, you can move it up or down, or you can just remove this section from your layout. Add it in the section. You see the format, background, and colors. Section 8, it's large. You see there's a big picture, it's big. You can make it medium or you can make it small. The same thing with the content width. Let it be small. And content alignment. Bottom, center, left hand, center, right hand, and so on. You just can play with this and I think you will figure out what's happening. Here you need to change the text, but let's change the background. For example, when we press in the background, we can upload image or video. Video, you can add a video from YouTube, Vimeo, and so on, or upload it from your computer. Full bleed and insert. You see, this is insert type. It's just like one picture, but I like the full bleed. It looks cool. You can edit image itself. There are tons of things that you can do with this picture, like brightness, contrast, and so on and so on. All the main things that you can make. You can crop, or you can even add a filter to this picture. We just will cancel these actions because we don't need this we don't need this picture here. We just delete in the picture. And you see, just to show you first of all what's happening, if you find if you don't want a background image or video, you can change colors. There are plenty color themes that already pre-made. Let's make it white minimal, white bold, light minimal, light bold, and so on. I like the light minimal or the dark minimal, and like also you need to play with that thing. And of course, you can visit the theme editor to change theme's color. I want it to be light minimal, for example. And let's insert some background image. Okay, that's a cool picture for barbershop. So let's change some text right here. Okay, the font we're gonna change a little bit after. And you see what's happening. You can edit this section or you can add a new one. I want just to change images, for example. Or let's say like that. Let's build it from scratch. We will add the section. It's gonna be the gallery, for example. I want it to be... Okay, we're gonna change the things and I will show you. All the things you can add it with this pencil button. That would be full arrows. Okay, the content. We need to remove all these images and upload the new one that suits the purpose of landing page or website. Just pressing this plus button, you can upload the images. Or you can search them in internet. Alright, the pictures are uploaded, so just closing it, and you can see that everything is on spot. It's not clicks right now. Let's edit this section full bleed or full. You see the difference. Full bleed, controls arrows, captions, autoplay. We can enable autoplay, duration like 4.5 seconds or 5 seconds, animation. You see the gallery plays itself. It's pretty cool. And you can add a description right here to any of them. And let's just close it. Okay, next section. I'm gonna remove all this. So here you can add some more information about the barbershop in this case, and leave the button. So let's add some text. Here you can change the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, or paragraph. That's important for the search engines. So let it be like this. Centered or right or centered. Okay, we're just gonna leave it like that. The button itself, the same thing, you editing all the things with this pencil button. Learn more, like book now, and click through URL. Like what's gonna happen? It's right now it's leading to about pages. But for example, here we can enable the phone number, and when you'll fulfill that, your client, potential customer, will just click and will be able to call from the cell phone or like from the laptop. Of course, it's not very convenient option. Or you can upload the file. So choose what do you like. We're gonna leave the phone number. Alrighty, we see that, for example, here our section, the theme of our section is light minimal. Let's change it here to the same. So it will be like more balanced and it will be more fantastic. Let's change the background up here. Okay, the picture is on spot, and this is subscribe to our newsletter thing. That can be important if you grow in your email list, and you can integrate your email marketing provider to this platform, to your website. It can be MailChimp or GetResponse or other, or you can integrate it, all the things with the Zapier. So grow your list, work with your audience, send them valuable emails, and like someday they will buy your services or products. Let's make it a little bit smaller. And the footer, actually, what's happening with the footer? The same thing what's happening with the all others. Light minimal. All right, you can change all that. Format is all right. You can change all that. Just pressing save, and let's see how it looks on the mobile preview. Looks also fantastic. There's like description, subscription. This thing is red right now because you need to add the storage for like storage option, and in this form you will add your email, for example, or your email provider. It looks great. It looks pretty cool. Let's change some fonts because I don't like this font here. We jump into design, we jump into fonts, and you see you press in the switch, and that's it. That's it. I like this one. For the barbershop, I don't know. I like this font, but here it looks not good. Okay, guys, that looks great. That looks modern. That looks okay for me, and I just showed you the core knowledges that you need to know to build your own web page for your own purposes, for your online or offline business, whatever you want. Actually, this is a very powerful tool, and I want to remind you that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, so you can easily find that link and get this platform with a big discount from our team, especially to our subscribers. Hope this video makes sense for you. Hope this was useful. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I wish you good luck, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.